Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best ball cleaners is probably one of the most important yet overlooked investments for any bowler. Maintaining your bowling ball's surface is crucial for consistent performance, and a cleaner ball means better hook, more accuracy, and ultimately, a higher score. In this video, we'll review the top bowling ball cleaner kits on the market, comparing their features, effectiveness, and overall value to help you choose the perfect one to keep your bowling game on top. Number 5. Lane Ghost Cleaner. Is your bowling ball looking a little worse for wear? It's time to bring back that perfect hook. This cleaner will remove oil, dirt, and scuff marks, restoring your ball's tack. This isn't just any cleaner, it's been rigorously tested and approved by the United States Bowling Congress. You can trust it to keep your ball in top condition without damaging it. Developed by avid bowlers, this cleaner is the result of countless hours of testing and refinement. We're confident it's the best on the market. Whether you use plastic, urethane, or reactive resin, this cleaner is safe and effective on all cover stock materials. Keep your ball clean and performing at its best. We're proud to manufacture and support our product right here in the USA. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll make it right. What we like. This USB-C approved cleaner will restore your ball's tack and prolong its lifespan. If you're a serious bowler who wants to maintain their equipment, this is the perfect choice for you. It ensures peak performance, game after game, keeping your ball in optimal condition for consistent hook shots. What people say. With it and a little bit of elbow grease, my bowling balls have been restored. Cleaner works exactly as it should. The towel that's included is nice as well. Shot 40 points over my average the first 2 games after my first time using this. Cleans all types of balls, leaves ball looking better than better, no odor, standard bottle size, anti-fabric material, standard wash cloth size. Number 4. Lane Ghost Cleaner. Is your bowling ball looking a little worse for wear? It's time to bring back that perfect hook. This cleaner will remove oil, dirt, and scuffs, restoring your ball's tack and improving your game. This isn't just any cleaner, it's been rigorously tested and approved by the United States Bowling Congress. You can trust it to keep your ball in top condition without damaging the surface. Developed by avid bowlers, this cleaner is the result of extensive testing and refinement. We're confident it's the best performing cleaner on the market. Whether your ball is made of plastic, urethane, or reactive resin, this cleaner is safe and effective. It will keep your ball clean and performing at its best, no matter the material. We're proud to manufacture and support this product right here in the USA. If you're not completely satisfied, let us know, and we'll make it right. What we like. Get 2 bottles of this USB-C approved cleaner for the price of 1. If you bowl frequently and need a reliable cleaner that's cost-effective, this is the best option. The 2-pack provides excellent value and ensures you'll always have a bottle on hand, ready to keep your bowling balls in top shape. What people say. The effectiveness of this cleaner is outstanding. It effortlessly removes dirt, oil, and grime from the surface of the ball, restoring its original tackiness. After just a few uses, I noticed a substantial improvement in the ball's reaction on the lane. It's like having a brand new ball every time I step onto the lanes. The cleaning process is quick and easy. A few sprays of the cleaner, a wipe with a microfiber cloth, and you're ready to roll. The formula is not only powerful but also safe for the ball's surface, ensuring that it doesn't damage the cover stock or alter its performance characteristics. Cleaned all the junk off my older ball, Storm Phase 2, easily. Does a great job. Number 3. Maplefield Bowling Cleaner. Tired of scuffed up bowling balls? This cleaner will remove those unsightly marks and restore your ball's shine. It meets USB-C standards, so you know it's safe and effective for competition. Maintain optimal ball performance with confidence. This powerful spray easily tackles oil, stains, and scuffs, leaving your ball looking and performing its best. Not only does it clean, but it also helps restore your ball's grip and tack, improving your game. By keeping your ball clean, you'll prevent wear and tear, extending its life and saving you money in the long run. The compact 4-ounce bottles are perfect for travel. Take it with you to every game and keep your equipment in top shape. Works on all types of bowling balls, from plastic to reactive resin. Keep all your balls clean and ready to roll. What we like. This travel-sized, USB-C compliant cleaner enhances your ball's grip. If you're always on the go and need a convenient way to maintain your equipment, this is for you. Its compact size makes it perfect for carrying in your bowling bag, ensuring you can clean your ball anytime, anywhere. What people say. I used it before I bowled and I saw a big improvement in my ball roll. Nice small bottle. Fits in my small bag nicely. We bowl on a league and need a good cleaner after league nights. We don't have to use a ton and it leaves the ball clean and glossy again. Number 2. Monster Tack Bowling Ball Cleaner. It's here, the revolutionary Monster Tack Bowling Ball Cleaner. Keep your equipment in top shape and ready for action. Rest assured, it's USB-C approved, so you know it's safe and effective for all your bowling balls. Say goodbye to oil, scuffs, and belt marks. It effortlessly cleans your bowling balls, leaving them looking and performing their best. Applying and removing it is a breeze. You'll spend less time cleaning and more time bowling. Available in 4 ounces, 8 ounces, and 32-ounce sizes, it's perfect for any bowling bag. Find the size that's right for you. With Monster Tack, you can always be confident that your equipment is clean and ready for the lanes. Get yours today. What we like. This USB-C approved cleaner is available in multiple sizes to suit your needs. If you need a cleaner that's easy to apply and comes in a size that fits your lifestyle, this is the one for you. Choose the size that best fits your bowling bag and cleaning habits. What people say. I have noticed, if I skip a night of not properly cleaning the bowling ball I use with this tack cleaner, the next week the performance of that bowling ball will be affected, quite drastically. This product gives the bowling ball its natural feel, color and performance back after its usage, but do note, it is best to use this product directly after using a bowling ball. Easy to use. Really make the ball clean. Number 1. Reacta Foam Ball Cleaner. This is the Reacta Foam Bowling Ball Cleaner. It's perfect for keeping your bowling ball in top condition. It easily removes dirt and grime, leaving it looking and performing its best. Watch how it works. Simply apply it to your ball, and watch it effortlessly lift away dirt and debris. It's that simple. This convenient 8-ounce bottle provides plenty of cleaner for many uses. It's the perfect size for your bowling bag. With Reacta Foam, you can maintain your bowling ball's performance and extend its life. Get yours today. See how easily it cleans your ball, leaving it shiny and ready for your next game. It's a game changer. What we like. This Reacta Foam Cleaner is a sporting good, available in 8 ounces. If you are looking for a foam cleaner for your bowling ball, this is the one for you. The foam texture provides a unique cleaning experience, ensuring a thorough clean for your bowling ball. What people say. Easy to use, does not stink and clearly cleans the ball and leaves it tacky. The foam is easier to work with and I've noticed my cleaning towel shows more dirt at cleaning. Which means it's getting the ball cleaner than the other stuff I was using. This is our favorite ball cleaner. It not only gets the ball nice and clean but it also gives a little tackiness to the ball so it will grab on the lane. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.